So in my sleep last night, I had a vision. We're going to figure out how these pieces are going to work. That looks crazy, doesn't it? But those are my boots and tights sitting on the floor. It's hard to see what all this is going to be because I have so many clothes hanging up behind it, but it's a monochrome or black and white because we talked about the trends for this year, but monochrome or black and white, however you want to call it, outfit. And I need to see how this is going to work. So this is going to be my outfit of the day. I'll be right back and I'll explain the outfit. Let's see if I can show you this outfit. It did and didn't turn out the way I wanted. But anyway, so what this is a dress from Shein. And the reason why I wore this dress, I was looking for like a sheer, floaty kind of skirt with a little bit of volume. And then I wanted to do a sweater on top with a shirt coming out. And I didn't have a cream, because this is cream, not white. I don't know if you can even tell that. But I didn't have a cream sweater that was, and I wanted a crop sweater, so two things, and I have neither. And so I thought, okay, black, since this has black in it. And this shirt here is, I think, the only cream type colored button down shirt that I have that could do this whole like kind of peeking out, tucking out thing. And then it happens to have a little bit of a black detail on it. There's a black stripe that goes all the way through this shirt. And it repeats itself here on the collar of the shirt. And it's not a, what do you call this? It's not a collar with the flaps. What is collar with the flaps called? It just doesn't have a collar. It's collarless. But here around the neck there are stripes, and this sweater here is sort of a chunky knit. Let's see, yeah, you can see that now. It's a chunky knit sweater, and it has this detailing here. It's by the brand LOD, which is a Nordstrom brand. This shirt is from Public School. This dress is Shein. And then let's zoom in here on the tights. We have a mismatch in the color of the metals here because I have silver, legit silver metal dots on my tights. Can you see those? I have legit silver metal dots on my tights, but then my boots have gold hardware on it. These are a pair of AGL patent leather combat boots. These tights, I really can't remember where I got them from. If I had to guess, they were from Nordstrom Rack, but I don't really know where I got them from. But they legit have little metal tabs on them, which is pretty cool. And I thought that was cool because I do have polka dots on the skirt and then polka dots on the tights. So this is today's outfit. The reason why I say it did and didn't turn out the way I wanted to is because I feel much bulkier and wider than I expected to look. But I don't care that much. I feel comfortable. I have enough layers to go outside in. I'm going to the doctor for a physical, and normally when I'm going to the doctor for a physical, I'll only do like t-shirt and leggings or sweats with nothing underneath, so I can easily, because you got to take your clothes off, so I can easily get out of stuff. And today I did a little, so I felt inspired last night to actually put an outfit together. Don't get to get out the house very often, so this is what we came up with. I forgot to mention that since I am going outside, I'm wearing this Topshop coat. You guys saw me haul this not too long ago. But yeah, I'm wearing this Topshop coat. And then I was trying to figure out what scarf goes well with it. And I found this, this check plaid slash shirt, scarf that has cream in it. Probably can see it better in the mirror here. I'm gonna wear this. Doesn't match the hat that I have because I have that gray, sort of like a charcoal gray Grace ILA slap cap winter hat, but it doesn't match. But I'm gonna have to rock it because that's just what I have. But yeah, I'm gonna feel like rich and glamorous in this. But yeah, this still actually has the tag on it. I've never worn this, and I've just pulled the tag off of this Topshop coat as well. So that's the look. I love this coat. I feel like I don't know, rich. I always say I feel rich, but I do. I do. Yeah, loving this coat. Yep. A little close up on that. So you get a little bit of the details. I like it. And I like that. I like this scarf too. I guess that's why I freaking bought it. But I like this scarf too. I'm doing it. Okay, let me get out of here before I'm late. Today's outfit of the day is just, I don't even know what to call this. Maybe it's like a jumper dress. But it is, I don't know, what material is this? I don't know. What would you say this material is? Anyway, so it's a gray. I'm doing the Pantone colors for the year. Gray and a yellow, very light, super light pastel yellow shirt underneath. And I don't even know where I got this necklace from, but super cute because it's like silver and rose gold. It has a unicorn as the medallion. I wish I could remember where I got this from, but it has a unicorn as the medallion, which is a rose gold color, and a silver chain. Super cute. And the reason why, I think I might have explained a long time ago, I get unicorns because the founder of Surround Sound of Fashion always talks about how the people he works with are unicorns, and they're unicorns in their particular respective space, and which is a good thing, right? And so since then I've been subscribing to the thought that there are unicorns in this world. Unicorns are real. And I do consider myself to also be a unicorn. So I get unicorn things all the time. So that being said, this is the dress, but it's not just, let me kind of show you some details of it here. See how cool if you look up really close, it's like linen-y lines, stripes and stuff on here. It's a really nice, cool material. Not that I need cool in the middle of winter, but that's what it is. The other thing about this, it has pockets. Everyone loves pockets, but the coolest part about this is the back. And let me see how I can show this to you. So that's the coolest part. It has this tie bow, not the exercise class, but this tied bow on the back, and I think that's super cute. Funny thing is, I was looking at this outfit as I was taking my outfit of the day picture for Instagram. And it's funny, I felt like I was thinking to myself, I've come in terms of my family's voyage or, journey, coming from Haiti and here to the US and making a whole new life. I've never been to Haiti a day in my life. However, full circle, I legit have on a Haitian schoolgirl's uniform outfit. Without even, I know because I've seen pictures of how they dress and everything for school. And then now I'm looking at it, I'm like, you have on a little Haitian girl's school uniform. And yeah, anyway, so that's today's outfit of the day. I have a Nordstrom 1901 shirt. I think that this is a Banana Republic necklace, not sure. This is a Banana Republic dress. I have on my Fitbit and my Deerform slippers because I ain't going nowhere, just working from home. And that is all. All right, next outfit of the day. I actually forgot to film this morning when everything was nice and fresh, and but yeah, this is the end of my work day, and I decided to go ahead and film now. You guys saw this not too long ago. I just hauled it from Zara when I took you guys, I think I took you with me on a go shopping with me at Zara in Chicago video or something. So anyway, this is the dress, this is the fit. You've seen the fit before, but this time today, it just gives you a feel for when I'm recording things. Today is Inauguration Day, January 20th, and in support of the new VP, I decided to wear pearls, my own style of pearls here. I'm not really a pearls person per se, but I do own a few pairs, maybe 3 pairs of pearls. I have these sort of, charcoal, they're charcoal and white, or charcoal and pearl. What do you call black pearl and white pearls. And I have a pair of pink pearls, and I have a traditional double row of regular pearls. So anyway, that's what I'm wearing today. And then I have this fabric belt that you really, let me see if I can get in so you can get to see the details here. Can you see that? Probably can't. There's a little bit of a pearlescent glow to it. Let's see if I can turn it this way. So there's a little bit of a pearlescence to it. Can you see that though? I don't know if it's focusing really well. This camera kind of hates me a bit. You know, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But anyway, I had this from something really, really old. And then I decided that, you know, this holder just needed a little something extra to break it up. It looks matronly otherwise, or super comfortable otherwise, like a house dress, what, a nap dress or whatever, and I didn't want that look for today. So I decided to pair it with this belt. I haven't pulled this thing out in probably over 10 years, but it worked perfectly with the pearl and the pearlescence and the whole look. Of course, I'm in the house, so the shoes are my Deerform house shoes. Everybody's wearing house shoes because they're working from home. At least I think they are. I don't wear shoes in my house. But anyway, that is today's outfit of the day. So I think I missed out on telling you guys about my outfit of the day yesterday. And I can't remember if I told you about all of the outfits this week, but the one yesterday was super, super cute. You guys saw it before. It was a cream muscle tee from Shein, and I told you guys that most likely I would be wearing it loose when I wear it, but I ended up belting it with my favorite style of belt when I'm doing these loose casual fits, my Ootd collection brown leather belt, and I just kind of tied that around and wore it with another Shein necklace. I'm sure at some point you guys saw that Shein necklace as well. I wore it with a Shein necklace, and then over top I wore it with a BP cardigan. A BP cardigan. I can't remember. I feel like I got it from one of these anniversary sales or something, but from Nordstrom. But it was all kind of natural, neutral colors, kind of blended all in together. Then I also paired it with a pair of really funky socks from Happy. I think it's Happy Socks. With ostriches on them. It's cuter when it's stretched up all the way, but with this particular outfit, it didn't look quite right all the way stretched out. So I just kind of scrunched it down and wore them with my brown Uggs. But yeah, it's a pretty quirky pair of socks. I went through a phase where I wore really silly socks, and obviously I still wear really silly socks. So that being said, I'm gonna start with today's outfit of the day. Today's outfit of the day, you guys saw this super recently. I just hauled this from Zara, and this is one of those cropped sweatshirts, and it's like a dusky kind of a grayish blue. Again, sweatshirt. And then this necklace I got this summer for my birthday from Adornia. Really cute necklace that says Rocky on there. This skirt you guys saw me haul pretty recently as well. It is a denim skirt, sort of a asymmetrical denim skirt that's also distressed from Free People. I remember once hearing that denim skirts were the worst thing that women could wear. Is not flattering because your butt goes away. And I can't say that that's wrong. Your butt does kind of go away because denim doesn't quite stretch. Hard denim like this doesn't stretch, so I can kind of see the sentiment. But I love how like it's just that asymmetry, and it buckles sort of crooked and all that. I love all of everything about this this skirt. The tights are like a navy blue from H&M. My mirror is disgusting, but yeah, navy blue. And then of course my faves here, the navy blue Doc Martens. You guys remember that whole story about how I've waited for these my entire life, and now I finally got them, and I wear them with some of everything. I wear them obviously with skirts, and I wear them with dresses and jeans, everything that I can possibly think of wearing them with. So that is today's outfit of the day. Outfit of the day from another angle. Hopefully you're digging it. Want you to see the whole thing. I am headed out for a massage with my friend's sister, and tomorrow's outfit is to come. All right, well, today is the last of the outfits of the day. Hopefully I'm able to show you here because I wanted to do this in the living room area where I have the big mirror, but my husband is having a conference call in there and it's pretty loud. But I do want to kind of get this over with and not wait. So I'm doing it in here, not the best representation, but today I am wearing this sex positive t-shirt from the laundry room. I got this in that whole mystery bundle, if you remember. I did that mystery box not too long ago with them. This sweater or this cardigan is from Urban Outfitters. I know I've hauled this with you, but I just can't remember exactly when I got it. But I absolutely, you guys know I have this like obsession right now with cardigans. Look how beautiful that knit is. Yeah, so anyway, I picked this color because it kind of sort of goes with the coloring of the tie-dye. Yeah, you know how I feel about tie-dye. Meh, you know. I have on these joggers, and I think that I might have hauled these joggers in one of my very first hauls on YouTube 3 years ago. So yeah, I'm obviously still rocking them. I love these pants. They fit me just right. This banding doesn't necessarily match my outfit, but I didn't care. I just kind of was going for the black and the fit and the comfort. But it's just right. The looseness is just right. Let me see if I can brighten this up for you so you can see that. Just the right amount of looseness for me. Kind of lounge around the house, but it's not overly baggy, so you can kind of see that. And of course I have my famous Deer Forms slippers. My mom gave me these several years ago and I'm still rocking them. But yeah, I have like 3 pairs of slippers for the house. These black and gray Deer Forms, some brown and like cream Uggs, and some light blue, what is it, Woolrich is the brand, or some blue ones, and I want to get maybe like some pink ones or something like that, but it's like not necessary. It's not like these are worn out or anything like that. I just like the variety since I'm at home so much, you know what I mean? I just kind of like the variety of having different stuff. So like today, the pink ones would have went great with these, but these black ones look good too. But the pink ones would look great with this sort of you know. Let me see if I can. Did I brighten this up? Let me dark. There it is. The pink would have looked great with this. But yeah, so this is the very sort of last outfit. I'm thinking I might have missed some outfits along the way. I have no idea. This whole like vlogging every day and talking to you every day is like not second nature. So I might have forgotten a few things. Sorry. But that being said, that brings us to the end. Let me know if you like this style of video, seeing how I kind of get up and, you know, get dressed. Well, I didn't even take you with the whole thought process of getting dressed, but showing you what I wear every day. Let me know if you like that. I'll do more of it, or at least I'll try to do more of it if I can remember. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe right there if you haven't already. Hit the like button, share it with your friends. Of course, leave me a comment if you have any questions about anything you saw me wear this week. I will tell you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.